Hello, little beach babies. I've just been out enjoying the sun. It's me, Mrs. Plassman. Are you ready to do a fun experiment today? Summertime is almost here, and that is the best time, in my opinion, to go to the ocean, to visit the beaches and build sand castles and play in the water. Sometimes we can't always get to the beach, so I thought today I could show you a fun experiment that you could make at home to bring a little bit of the beach to you. We're going to make an ocean in a jar today, okay? The things you'll need for this experiment are some water, like this, some oil. Your mommies and daddies probably use some of this for cooking. You could use any kind of oil you want. This is vegetable oil in my jar, so you can use vegetable oil, or if you have a baby oil, that'll work too. You'll use just a little bit of blue food coloring, and then you can pick anything you want to put inside of your ocean jar. I picked a few things around my house that remind me of the ocean and the beach. I chose some seashells, like this, and this. And I chose a little ball that looks a little bit like a beach ball. And I chose a little swimmy fish, a couple of sea turtles, and a little girl that's ready to go for a swim in the ocean. That's what I'm going to put in my special jar. You can choose anything you want to put in yours, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take an empty jar. I used a spaghetti jar, but you can use anything you want. You could use a water bottle or maybe even a really big bowl, anything you want, but it has to have a lid on it, okay? Because you're going to shake this up in a bit and you're going to want a lid on top. So make sure whatever jar you have or container you have that it has a lid that seals nice and tight, okay? All right, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take my plain old water and I'm going to pour some into my jar, as much as you want. I'm going to stop mine right there. Here we go. And then I'm going to make my water a nice, pretty ocean blue. So I'm going to add just a couple drops of food coloring. 1, 2. I'll just give it a little swirl to help turn that water blue. A nice, pretty ocean blue. And now I'm going to add my oil. Now, the neat thing about oil and water together is that they do not mix. Like my food coloring mixed with my water, my oil will not mix. It will always separate itself. You can shake it all you want, but in the end, it still separates. It's kind of fun to watch. We'll get to that shaking part in a minute. For now, I'm going to add my oil. Glub, 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 glub. Look how fun it looks bubbling up from there. Add a bunch of oil. Looks like pretty ocean waves. And now I can add whatever fun toys I want to into my little ocean. So I'm going to put my seashells in there. Boop, drip. All my seashells are sinking to the bottom. And I'm going to add my little fish. Boink. In you go, fish. My little swimmer is ready for a dive. Bombs away. Here goes my sea turtles. 1, 2. And my beach ball. Oh, it's getting full. And one more little shell. Now I'm going to put my lid on nice and tight. I accidentally spilled a little around the edge, so I'm just going to wipe off my edge a little bit so it doesn't slip out of my hands when I shake it off. There we go. Now if you look and see how my oil and my water separates? The oil and water, it never mixes. So I can shake this all I want to make these waves roll around like a big ocean wave crashing over. And I can see all of my fun ocean creatures swimming around in there. Let's see how it looks when I shake it up. Ready? Shake, 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 shake. Check it out. Look at my ocean bubbles. Does it look kind of cool, like big ocean waves going back and forth? Whoosh. Whoosh. You can shake it all you want. Eventually, this oil and water will completely separate again. You can keep this project for as long as you want. If you want in a few days to switch it out with some different things in your ocean, you can do that too. Have fun stuffing your oceans with all the fun things that you like about the ocean, and add a little blue water and a little oil, and there's your ocean in a jar. Just make sure you seal that lid nice and tight, okay? All right, before we go, I want to leave you with one last song about the ocean, and it goes like this. Take me out to the ocean, take me out to the sea. Show me the foamy waves rolling there. As I breathe in the salty air, let me look at the ocean. See the foam and explore, for it's fun to dive from the top to the ocean floor. And there you have it, boys and girls. I hope you've had fun talking about the ocean and making our ocean in a jar today. Have a great summer, and I'll see you later. Goodbye, friends.